Mistplay removes games from your library when an offer expires, a campaign ends, or the app loses track of that game on your account. By the end of this, you'll know why your old games disappeared, and how to check if they can be restored. The first thing to understand is that Mistplay does not keep every game active forever. Game publishers run limited campaigns. When a campaign ends, Mistplay can remove that game from your active list, even if it was there yesterday. That does not always mean you lost your points. Your earned units usually stay in your wallet. The first thing to do is check your installed games. Open Mistplay and look in the My Games or Active Games section. Sometimes the main feed refreshes and hides older titles, but they're still tied to your account. If the game is there, open it through Mistplay once. That can force it to sync back into view. Next, check if the game is still installed on your phone. If you deleted it, Mistplay may remove it from tracking. Reinstalling can sometimes reconnect it, but only if the campaign is still active. If the campaign ended, reinstalling usually won't restore progress. Now clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This refreshes your game library and fixes cases where old game data didn't load correctly. Another common reason is account mismatch. If you logged into a different email or account, your old games may seem gone. Go to your profile and verify you're using the same login method you used before. That matters. Check for app updates too. Open the Google Play Store and install the latest Mistplay version. Older versions can fail to load your full game history after system changes. VPNs can also cause games to disappear. If Mistplay detects a different country, some regional games may vanish from your list. Turn off your VPN and reopen the app. If your game disappeared but you still have progress or screenshots proving it was active, contact Mistplay support. Send the game name, your account email, and screenshots if possible. That gives support enough to check if it was removed or just disinstalled. So the main fixes are simple. Check your active games, clear cache, and confirm you're on the right account. Start with your login first because account mix-ups make games disappear more than anything else. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.